You see, prolapse is basically where gravity's pulling us down, and to stop being pulled down, that muscle work. We had two ladies in their 50s, both had to have total hysterectomies because of prolapses, and when they heard this, they said, if only we'd known. My daughter, she had twins. They're 19 now, but they were both about 6 pound, so she's only a bit bigger than me, so you can imagine how big she was. She said ever after, whenever she'd cough or laugh or jump on the trampoline, she'd lose a little urine. And she thought, I've just got to put up with this, all that weight from those babies. And she heard about the Yoni stones. She started to wear them. And within 2 months, she could cough, she could laugh, and she would not lose any urine. So the strengthening of the pelvic girdle affects also incontinence in the urethra. It affects prolapse in the urethra, prolapse in the vagina area, because it just strengthens, the holding of the stone strengthens the pelvic girdle. So you can see why it's helping a lot of women today.